Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I'm the Kidtropolis educator here at Children's Museum Houston, and today in the Art Academy we are working on our patriotic hats. So the day I'm filming, it's just a few days before 4th of July. This is actually a really fun activity that you can try at home, but it doesn't have to be 4th of July themed. You can pretty much do whatever you like. So I'm going to show you a few different examples. We had a hat template that was printed out here that had different stripes, and our visitors are encouraged to use washable markers like Crayola markers to draw different patterns within these different stripes on our template. Here's another example we have here. Here's another one over here. And then what you can do is you can take a paintbrush just with some water and you can use it to actually blend the colors together. So we're going to practice a little bit of pattern drawing, but we can also use water with washable markers, almost like we're painting with watercolors. Here's one of our youngest visitors to the museum just finished. Pretty fancy. I think he's about 2 years old. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. And like I said, it doesn't have to be 4th of July themed. So for this, I'm just going to take a blank piece of paper. You need a few washable markers. I'm going to use the colors we have out in the Art Academy right now. And then you need a paintbrush and some water. All right, so if you want to start off with a pencil, you can, but I just went ahead and took my gray marker and I just kind of randomly made lines. Some of them are straight lines, some of them are curvy lines. I can add in a zigzag line just for fun, but this just breaks my paper up into different sections, and then you can just do different patterns in each of the sections using different colors. Maybe I'll do some dots in one, I might do some stripes in another one. You can draw hearts, you can draw waves. You can even fill some of them in with solid colors if you want. And you don't have to just use one color in each section, it's really up to you. All right, so I've just filled in a few of the sections, so you can of course fill your entire sheet of paper with all sorts of different colors and patterns, but I just want to show you how we use our paintbrush and our water to blend the colors a little bit. So if I focus on just one spot, I can take this little red dot here and I can get it a little bit wet with water. You don't need too much for this. And I can actually sort of shift it around like this, and it kind of blends the color a little bit. I can even, if I get enough of that red marker on my paintbrush, I can even paint somewhere where there isn't any color yet. So you can see this little stripe here. I didn't draw anything with the marker, but I was able to use that just from the little bit that was left over on my brush. You can clean your brush in between so that the colors don't mix, or you can actually keep one color on your brush and put it onto the next section if you want to get a little color blending. So this is something that you can do just to sort of make the different layers a little bit more interesting looking. Just like that. Thank you all so much for joining me for today's video. We hope you have a great rest of your day. We hope to see you soon at the museum. Bye.